Okay, so the thing that I want to add to this is that my rising sign is Aries, my sun sign is Pisces, my moon sign is Libra. We just moved into the north and south node of Aries and Libra. So this 18 months, like I already, since June 3rd, my life already started to shift of relationships and thinking and noticing where I was giving my power away. And then I didn't know about the nodal shifts until like 2 days before. And when I reflected on since June 3rd, I was like, holy shit, I was already riding the energy and shifting. So here's how it's relevant to us. Everything that I've been working on my whole career, all the things, is going to accelerate because I can actually tap into the energy that's shifting for everybody. And so what this lesson is Libra really getting away from your self-avoidancy that makes you codependent on the exterior. So it's just going to, like, my business is going to skyrocket in the next 18 months. My results for people are going to skyrocket because I know how to tune to that. Like, I'm already tuned to the energy and I didn't even know it was shifting. Like, it's just how it is. So, and the other thing is, like, 18 years ago was when the last time we were in this energy, and 18 years ago is when I was 22 and I met 𝗺Fletcher. And 𝗺 Fletcher is a first generation Pilates teacher, and he taught me so much stuff. And I've been teaching his work since 2006. I teach it twice a week, every single week. And he comes into my sessions. And the first time that he came in was in your studio when we hummed. And so he transmits and stuff. And so we're doing all this, he and I are doing all this stuff together. We've been doing it, but recently it's like I connected more dots with how his work and my work, what I've learned really opens up the energetic field of the person's body. So that's like what's really exciting, that I'm starting to add into it right now. Like, I have to refine it before I really start to show it to people. So the node shifting, like I have that as a pinned post of like how you can tap into my rising and moon sign energy. And